Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I created a data quality AI agent. So, have you ever wondered how much bad data silently break your dashboard, reports, and business decisions? What if I told you that you can automatically clean your data, track your data quality metrics, and even chat with your data in plain English? In this video, I will show you how I built a data quality AI agent that can clean raw data, separate good and bad records, generate data quality metrics, and send alert via mail to your manager, and let user ask your question via telegram. So let's get started. So I have created a data quality AI assistant in n8n. So you can see that uh, I have a node of upload your data, and I have applied the logic, data cleaning logic in that data. Then I've splitted that data into good and bad records, and also I have created a node to generate a data quality summary and notify stakeholder via email. So the problem statement is like in most organization the data quality issues look like this. So we have customer data, or you can say employee data, in which we have invalid emails, incorrect dates, negative salaries, inconsistent country names, and inactive users. So business team don't want dashboards full of wrong numbers, and data teams don't want manual validation. So the questions become, how do we automate data quality checks and still keeping it simple for business users? So high level solution that I have built is like this workflow that act as a data quality agent. What it does is like read raw data from Google Sheet. Here you can see that, and apply the validation and standard rules here, and separate clean and failed records like this. Yeah, so it separates the clean and failed rows like bad records in separate sheet, and also generate a data quality matrix like this, like total number of records, valid records, and the success rate, how much records had been, percentage of records had been passed, like this. And also expose a telegram chatbot where user can ask natural language question like what is the salary and email ID of Akash and all these things, who joined in 2024, like this. We can ask in natural language question to your clean data. So let me walk you through the architecture one by one. So first step is data ingestion. So data ingestion is like we start by reading your raw data from Google Sheet. So we have created a sheet, this is a raw sheet that you can easily change the sheet by clicking on that node, and easily you can select from your Google Drive what are the sheet name. Okay, then after that you can apply data cleaning and validation logic. Like we have in data, we want name must be at least two characters. That kind of logic if you want to apply, you can apply within the code node. Email must follow the valid email format. Age must be in between 18 to 100. Join date must be valid date. Phone number must be exactly 10 digits. Salary must be greater than 0, not negative. And the status must be active or inactive, whatever the rules you want to apply. For every failed rule we capture a failed reason also. Okay, then uh, after this applying the logic validation rule, we are splitting into our validation rules. On the basis of validation rules, we are splitting our sheet into the two sheets, like clean records and the failed records. Like these two sheet will generate as per our validation rules. You can see that. Okay, also we have generated a data quality matrix. Once cleaning is done, we calculate data quality metrics like total number of records that we have processed on that particular run rate, how many are valid record that have been passed our checks, and how many record that have been failed, and what are the success rate. So these metrics are stored in summary sheet. This is our summary sheet. Okay, here this is a node which is belong for data quality summary. And also you can send a mail to a stakeholder which look like this. Yeah, so it says DQ alert, data quality alerts, how many records are failed, what is the run date, total number of records, valid records, failed records, and the breakdown. Failure breakdown is like how many records are there which have invalid age, invalid email, like that. If you click on the failed sheet, you can redirect to the failed rows here. So you can manager can easily see how are the failed records. Okay. Next part of our workflow is like chat with the AI agent. So once the data clean, you can easily talk to your data via Telegram. So you can ask the question like, what is the salary and email ID of Akash? Okay, first is go through your clean data. If it is found in clean data, it will give you the answer. If it's not, it will go through your field row also. So I have asked what is the salary and email ID of Akash. Akash, you can see that it is not in our clean data. It is in failed records. You can see here Akash is in failed records here. So it says like in Telegram, you can see Akash salary. I have asked what is the salary and email ID of Akash. Akash salary is 25,000. You can see here. And email ID is Akash. The record was found in the failed record. So automatically it gives you answer as per your convenient and what are in which seat it was present. Okay. And so the thing is like it ensured that no hallucination, full transparency, and trustworthy answer. So why this is powerful for business? This approach brings massive value. Binge's benefit is like no manual data checks, no dependency on dashboard, instant answer in plain English, clear audit trail for failed data, and faster decision making. So why this is powerful for data teams? If I talk about for data engineers and analysts, this is equally powerful. Centralized validation logic, reusable data quality framework, agent-based analytics, and scalable and low maintenance. If I'm talking about real world use case for that is like this can be useful for customer master data validation, HR data quality checks, finance data monitoring, and any operational data set. Now let's run the workflow. Before that, let me delete all the clean data. Okay. Now we have raw data. Okay. In which we have 53 number of rows. Okay. Now let's run the workflow. So you can see that starting running. Okay. So data validation and data cleaning workflow has been executed. Let's check our clean data. Okay, it's coming. Now 34 records, you can see that we find that, and failed rows is like 19. Okay, let's check the email. You can see we got an email, 19 failed records, and also in the matrix summary also we got some results. Okay, let's talk to our Telegram. What is the salary of Priya? Okay. It says 1,20,000. Let's check in clean data first. Okay, Priya salary is 1,20,000, which is correct. Okay, so that's how you can talk to your uh, agent in natural language. Thanks. Okay, at the end of this video, I would like to say that hit the like button if you want full workflow and code walkthrough. Comment DQ AI below. And thank you so much. See you next video.